Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a tutorial on this look right here, which is my everyday makeup, my go-to makeup. I'm obsessed with it. I can just do it under an hour and it's perfect. So that is obviously why I like to go to it whenever I just need to get ready super fast, which for me is under an hour, which is like 15 minutes. Also, before we get into the video really quick, I just wanted to say thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. It's surreal. I'm just so thankful, you guys. I can't thank you enough. You guys motivate me. You guys make me want to make more videos. And yeah, I just wanted to say thank you for 1,000 subscribers. And I will be having a 1K giveaway. And a couple of products that I use personally will be in the giveaway, and I do want to purchase some other things that I want to give away as well, because I really want to give back to you guys for just being so incredibly supportive and loving. Yeah, I don't know what I want to do yet to decide who will win the giveaway. I will have a giveaway video pretty soon. Probably the next video that I upload, I will show you guys everything that will be in the giveaway, and I'll probably put some things in there just as a surprise. And then I will tell you guys what to do to participate in the giveaway. Also, I cut my hair. Did you guys notice? Did you notice? I think I want it a little bit shorter in the back, but overall, I'm obsessed with it. I love short hair. I don't know what it is. I either like it really, really short or really, really long, and it takes a long time to get it really, really long, so I like it really, really short right now. So, yeah. I'm just rambly today. I don't know what it is. Also, you guys know what I've been obsessed with? Cimorelli podcasts. Oh my gosh. I love Cimorelli. If you guys love Cimorelli, leave a comment down below. Hashtag Cimorelli podcasts. I'm obsessed with them. And if you don't know who they are, you need to go check them out on YouTube. And they're a band, and they have really great songs, and they're all really funny. I love them. And yeah, that's all I wanted to say. So Alright, let's get right on into the video finally. So before we get crazy, we need to moisturize the face first. So I'm taking this Clinique moisturizer. You guys have seen this a gajillion times in my videos before. Also, I was using that aloe one as well, which I also love, but I ran out of that, so I moved back on to the Clinique. Now for face primer, I usually decide between my Wet n Wild face primer or this Josie Maran Moonstone Argan Moonstone drops. It just looks so Instagram video, so fun, and I love it. It's so smooth, rubbing it into the face, and I just love this primer. Love it. So I'm going to do my eyebrows really quick. I have a video on how to step up your eyebrow. I really can't talk. On how to step up your eyebrow game if you guys want to check that out. And now moving on into eyeshadow primer. I am using the eyeshadow primer that is always in every single one of my videos that I use eyeshadow in, which is the Ulta Beauty eyeshadow primer. It's a matte one and a nude one, and I love it. That's why I use it all the time. Okay, I'm going to stop talking about it. Now moving on into the eyeshadow. I usually just like to take a shadow that will define my crease, give it some warmth, a little bit of this and that, and then I like to add something into the outer corners just to give my eye some depth, and that's it for the eyeshadow. Super easy, super simple, but it definitely gives it a little something. So I first apply the shadow on the lid, as you can see, and then I wipe the brush off and buff the color out, and it just makes it so pretty, and it's just a nice, easy way to blend out your eyeshadows. And that mirror was from my BFF Malia. Hey girl, hey. And yeah, I'm using that to do my eyeshadow. So as you can see here, I'm taking a darker brown and adding that to the outer corner and blending that out. Now moving on to the face, I'm taking this CoverStick concealer from Maybelline, I believe. And yeah, it's green, so it's going to cancel out the redness. So I'm applying that on the red areas of my face. And then I'm taking some concealer from this makeup base. It's a makeup base. It's not from Makeup Base. Larissa, what are you talking about? And I'm just applying this on top of the green, blending it out. It makes a super nice coverage overall after foundation, which now for foundation, I'm taking this Maybelline FIT Me stick in Classic Ivory, foundation stick, I don't know what you want to call it. And the other one that I showed was a Lumi foundation from, I forgot the brand. That's kind of embarrassing, but I use that one as well. I like both. This one is more of a medium coverage. I like the Lumi. What is it from? Guys, I don't remember the brand, and I use it like every day, almost every day. Besides this one. So I blend that out with a foundation brush, and then I blend it out with my beauty blender, and now I go into concealer from my Crown palette, and I take a pale yellow toned concealer and apply that underneath my eyes to cancel out the slight purple tone, blue tone that is underneath my eyes. It's very subtle, but it's there just a little bit, you know. And then I apply it to the center points of my face as well, forehead, nose, cupid bow, chin, and I blend that all out with a beauty blender. My throat is getting kind of sore from talking so much, but I'll live through it. So now I'm going to this Milani face powder. I love this face powder, you guys, so much. Not only does it smell good, it is a great powder. I do not get oily throughout the day, so I don't think I'll ever use anything ever again. Just kidding. I definitely will try out other powders, but this one is a must-have for me. And so I'm using this Milani bronzer as well. Love this bronzer. Milani just has good products, you know, it is right there with me. Love it. And so, you know, I just bronze up my face. I need a little warmth to the areas of my face, such as my cheekbones, my temples, my hairline, my double chin, my nose, my lower lip, because it makes your lips kind of plump looking, you know what I mean? So yeah, I bronze and contour with that. And yeah, now I go into blush. This one is from Laura Geller, and I love this blush. It's a go-to, must-have, and I blend everything together just like this with a big fluffy brush. Don't y'all love it? Don't y'all? I don't know what has gotten into me tonight, but I have so many accents going on, and I don't know. I think I'm just tired, you guys. I don't know. So as you can see here, I'm doing my lower lash line, and I took the same brown that I used in my outer corner and applied that on my lower lash line and blended that out. Now I'm going into this brown liquid eyeliner and applying this so freaking close to my lashes, you guys. It adds a little bit of something, but it's not crazy. And then I go into this Revlon Color Stay black eyeliner crayon and line my tight line. I can't do my mascara without eyeliner on my tight line. Now, I go into mascara, and I add 2 mascaras. I forgot what the other one was called. My bad. And yeah, so I just put 2 coats of mascara on my lashes. I just mix it up sometimes. I have like 4 mascaras that I use, and I just mix them up sometimes. And now moving on into highlight, I'm taking this Maybelline eyeshadow. It's a shimmer eyeshadow, and it's a freaking bomb highlight. Obsessed with it, and it's super inexpensive. So I just apply this on my inner corners, brow bone, cheekbones, tip of the nose, bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, and that's about it. I don't do my forehead or my chin anymore because at the end of the day, the highlight just ends up looking oily in the wrong places. So I just apply the highlight to the right places and I'm good to go at the end of the day. I don't look crazy and oily. Moving on to the lips, I'm taking these two ColourPop liquid lipsticks. They're satin liquid lipsticks. They are my favorite things ever. So I'm taking the dark one, which is called Echo Park, applying that all over the lips, and then I'm taking the lighter one in the shade Aquarius, and applying that to the center of my lips. Makes the lips look more plump and gives it a little bit of dimension. And I just spray my face with this Milani setting spray and we're good to go. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already, and don't forget to turn on post notifications. Leave a comment down below telling me what kind of video you would like to see next, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at MSLARIS Beauty, where I post all my beauty pictures and tweets and stuff. You know, everything on Instagram, Twitter, the norm. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!